The Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying dinosaur, is estimated to be able to fly up to 15,000 feet in recent studies, and at speeds of 80 miles an hour. The griffon vulture is the highest flying bird in the bird kingdom. At 37,000 feet, the griffon vulture is on record as reaching the highest altitude in the bird kingdom. You'd think the thinning air would cause problems. But the Rupel vulture has unique hemoglobin that creates an effective system for oxygen intake. The Rupel griffon vulture has a wingspan of 7.54 to 8.2 feet in length. In general, these birds weigh between 15 and 20 pounds. The scavengers have great eyesight, able to spy a carcass from tremendous heights. They can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour and stay in the air for hours.